Hey, a big warning! If you have anything you want to order from AliExpress, Temu, or any other international marketplace, you need to do it right now, because the no-tariff loophole for small packages expires in basically a few days. And this is really going to hit the microphone DIY community very hard. I got more details coming up. Stick around.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Microphone Playboy podcast. You know, all those disruptive tariffs that have been placed on goods made in China coming into the US has not affected those small purchases you make on AliExpress or Temu because of something called the de minimis exemption. And it's the only reason you've been able to buy stuff from overseas for under $800 without paying those import duties. But as of May 2nd, 2025, it is done, gonzo, gone. And here's the kicker. It's not about when you order, it's about when your package enters the US. And with international shipping, if you don't order immediately, there's a real chance your stuff won't make it in time. So yes, you are down to mere days. So if you're someone who loads up on Temu gadgets, TikTok hacks, phone accessories, LED strips, kitchen tools, or those why not it's only $2 impulse buys, this is your warning. And if you're into the microphone DIY scene, listen close. This is really gonna hit our world hard. Look, we spent years modding and building studio quality mics on a budget using cheap capsules, transformer clones, donor bodies, PCB kits, and XLR connectors from overseas. You know the ones, the $20 transformer that sounds really great, the $20 capsule that sounds pretty decent, the $3 XLR jack that would cost you $10 to buy here. All of that is about to get a lot more expensive because after May 2nd, anything sent through international postal services like China Post, Yanwen, 4PX, or ePacket will fall under the standard tariff structure. And no, using UPS or DHL won't help, because they've already been under those rules. This change targets the budget stuff that's been slipping through customs quietly until now. So here's what you do. Check your cart, look through your wish list, grab that capsule, grill, that kitchen tool, that USB dongle, that mystery mic body that might be brilliant, and order it now. Because packages might cost more, your projects might get pricier, and that affordable mod hobby you love, it might hit a wall. Because once that de minimis exemption ends, they're talking about adding either a percentage, like up to 35% or more, could be even 50%, it could be 100%, or a $25 flat fee or a $50 flat fee on every package. That makes that stuff unaffordable and unattainable. So ladies and germs, you've got days, maybe less, because I am creating this podcast on Wednesday, April 9th. So you have what, maybe until the 25th of April to order, because, you know, a lot of times I've ordered stuff from AliExpress like a mic body, and it takes a week before it even leaves the country of China. So yeah, you got days. And this is your last chance to beat the deadline before tariffs make every cheap overseas order feel like a luxury purchase. So whether you're buying for fun or building a dream mic, I would suggest you might want to do it now. But the good news is that if you pre-order my book, The Modern Voiceover Career Owner's Manual on Kindle, you won't pay a tariff. So there you go. And paperback pre-orders are coming soon. I'll have that information for you very soon. All right, light up those comments. Let me know what it is that you are going to be buying right away and what it is that you're really bummed out that is going to cost a lot more. And I will put a link to the pre-order of my book, The Modern Voiceover Career Owner's Manual, in the description. And of course, let me know if you've ordered it. And you've been listening to me through the Loudon LS208 going through the SPL Channel 1 Mark III. All right, you know what to do. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.